signs. Now the park opens at 11 o'clock, and we're here just about 20 to 11, and we're about the 9th car, so obviously even the parking, they don't open up before 11, so once they open up those gates, we'll be in, and hopefully it won't be raining. Aquatica. Now we got our tickets online. We got the 3 park tickets combined with SeaWorld and Busch Gardens, so we'll see how much we can get done. But they've predicted some rain for today, and we are hoping that we will be able to get as much as we can before the rain comes. Usually they don't shut down the park if it's raining, but if it's starting to get thunderstorms, then they'll probably shut down the rides. So hopefully that doesn't happen today. We're not shutting down the park today, are we? Because of the rain?
We'll see. I was gonna say, it will all kind of depend on how many people stick around.
And if there's any thunderstorms. There's your answer. Thanks, mate. Alright. Okay, so... Oh, that's those dolphin slides. I remember them. Yep. You go through them and you can actually see the dolphin and fish as he's sliding down. We haven't been here in many years, so it's going to be fun. I do know that the dolphin plunge, yeah, that's what I heard. So the dolphin plunge is actually turned off, it's actually closed off. So they're doing maintenance. Yeah. So we can put some valuables and things like that into the lockers, and then that way we don't need to worry about it. So that's super convenient, and you can always find lockers at the Disney and Universal parks, of course, and here I am in the locker area. go on the Oahu Waka. I think that's how you say it. So I got my tube and I'm ready.
breakaway falls, guys, is obviously designed for a bit of the older kids, you know, your 5 pluses, your 6 pluses. But I'm going to try and find the toddler area so I can take her. But yeah, he's having a good time. Okay, but I've got to take her down because this is not for her. Woo! You think this is fun?
line, and please don't cross over line. Good on you, and thanks.
Okay, so we've got our mats and we're ready to go on the Tomato River. Now I'm racing here just with my son, so yeah, so it should be good. That's it, don't do too much, I'm not ready. It's actually pretty cool because the water's just taking you. So I'm going to try and find out when exactly the reef plunge is opening up here in Aquatica, because the dolphin plunge, that was a big one, and I mean that was a major hit. I remember 10 years ago that was one of the biggest things everybody talked about when coming to Aquatica, to be able to slide down and see the dolphins as you're inside the slide. But as you can see here now, they're doing reconstruction and fixing it up and getting it all ready for this year. Dolphin plunge ride was closed today, and I think because they're doing some maintenance work on it. But at least we got to see this little guy.
Daddy, I want to see coins.
So he's still here, obviously. This is his home, and he's having a good time. And that's the dolphin plunge right there, where we can the slide, you go down and you can actually go right inside the water and see these guys.